Hi everyone, John Little here. This is another video showing how to go from a red member to a purple member. Red is what used to be known as the VLL. It has the majority of the lessons in it. And purple has got both the red and blue, which make purple. And the blue is the wave and water. And so we have permission to upgrade this account. We'll start off with look at the account details and make sure that they are a red member. And they currently are a red member. It's going to renew automatically on the, well, it's going to automatically do it today. So this should be pretty interesting. Right here, we can update payment method, upgrade, or change your membership. That's what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and press the upgrade or change membership. Well, how did I get to this? Again, under my account, your Academy membership details. Simple as that. Upgrade or change your membership. Let's click on that. Now, you have to be logged in, which she is right here. If you already have an account on this website, please log in before making any changes to your membership or even signing up. If you're not a paid member, say you're a green member or you just have an account on this website, you need to sign in to your account before you upgrade, renew, or create an account. Discount codes are at the bottom for our seniors, which is 60 plus, and our veterans. And under the veterans, it's any of the public service, firemen, policemen, etc. group. Discounts are all the way down here at the bottom. It just happens to be how it's laid out. So depending on what you want to do, this is where you need to be. Now, what we're going to do is she needs to go to a purple member. And this individual is a senior. Up here, you'll notice if you upgrade or downgrade your account, the new membership will be prorated up to $1.10 for the first payment. Prorated prices are shown below. I think after it gets calculated, let's see where we go. And let's go grab the, yeah, she has a credit of $1.10 because she still had a day to go. But we're going to get the coupon code purple for the monthly, that one there, a little quick copy. Put it right here where it says discount code, paste it in there. Give it that extra space, I don't know if it would take it or not, and apply. Okay, discount comes off. You got your $1.10 credit. So her first payment will be $56.85. Then the reoccurring payments will be $57.95 every 30 days. Next payment will be due July 23rd. And we're going to use this, and I'm hoping, since she already has this method, it's already in here, which I'll be blocking this information, but her credit card is sitting here. And all I have to do is register it. Now, once this is processed, give it a moment, be patient. Don't do a refresh, don't back away, just wait till it gets done, and it should be successful or give you an error if there was a problem. Okay, I still have to fix this page. Welcome to your success page. Again, I got to fix that. Okay, so it did it. Now, if I go to your account information, you saw where it said red before, it will still say red. No, it didn't. Excellent. Automatically updated. Last time I did this, it didn't update. Now, we've had a couple updates on our software, so maybe they fixed that. So there you go. It's as simple as that to upgrade, downgrade, whatever you need to do. You can do it yourself now without human intervention. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please use the Contact Us form. It's right there. It really works if you use the form. Thank you.